Question number 2. Find the volume of a cone if its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter and radius of base is given 28 centimeter. Okay, then find the volume of a cone. Now we don't know H as well as we don't know L. Okay, we don't know this both, but we have given its total surface area. See this here, total surface area of cone. Total surface area of cone means this series. Total surface area of this cone. This is cone. Now curved surface area plus area of base. Base is circle. Okay, curved surface area pi r l and area of base is pi r square. Circle pi r l means pi r common, l plus r series. Curved surface area pi r l, curved surface area, and area of base means circle pi r square. Did you get it? Very simple formula. Therefore, what is total surface area? 7128 square centimeter is equal to value of pi 22 upon 7 into radius 28 plus bracket L plus we don't know L R 28 series 7 for the. Okay, now we take these two to the left side. Therefore 7128 upon 22 into 4 is equal to L plus 28. Now series 4 ones are 4, 7 minus 4 means 3, 3 1 31, 4 7s are 28, 31 minus 28, 31 minus 28 means 3, 3 2 32, 4 8s are and 4 2s are. Did you get it? If you know for table of 22, then write that table. See this, 22 ones are 22. Okay, 22 8s are 176. Okay, 176 means 178 minus 176 means 2, 2 to 22. 1. Did you get it? Now, what is here? 81. Therefore, we write here 81 is equal to L plus 28. Did you get it? Did you get it? Now, we find L. Therefore, L is equal to 28 like term we take to left side, but I am writing this to the right side. 20. Therefore, L is equal to 53 centimeter. Okay, we write here. Now we want H. So we will find H. series. In that right angle triangle, we will find h square plus r square is equal to L square. Therefore, we don't know h. H square plus 28 square is equal to 53 square. Okay, therefore h square plus 784 is equal to 53 into 53 na 53 3 is 159 and 53 5 is 53 5 is 265 okay, means 280. Okay, this is the square. Therefore h square is equal to 2809 minus 784. Therefore h square is equal to 5. Then 10 minus 8 2 0 and 2. Therefore taking square roots of both the sides, square and square root cancel. Taking square roots of both the sides. Therefore h is equal to, this is square of 45. H is 45 centimeter. Okay, then what is the question? Find the volume of a cone. Therefore volume of a cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Okay, we will substitute values. 1/3 pi. What is value of pi? 22/7 into r, radius 28. Instead of writing square, 28 into 28 and h 45. 3 1s are 3 5s are. Then 7 4s are. Did you get it? This is very simple. So product of these two, 28 to the 56. 56, here 28 to the 56, carry 5. Then 56 means 61 into product of these two into 60. 15 4s are. Did you get it? Is equal to 0. This is volume, no? In centimeter. So we write centimeter cube. See here carefully. Now this 0, 6 6 are 36. 6 1s are 6 and 3 9. 6 6 are 36. Therefore 36,960 centimeter cube. Curved surface area of a cone is 251.2 centimeter square and radius of its base is given 8 centimeter. Okay, find its slant height and perpendicular height. Slant height and perpendicular height. Find both. Okay, then we start from given. What is curved surface area of a cone? Curved surface area of a cone. Curved surface area of a cone is equal to pi r L. Okay. Now curved surface area is given 251.2 centimeter square is equal to value of pi 3.40 r 8 centimeter, and we don't know L. Both these we take to left side. 251.2 upon 3.14 into 8, okay, is equal to L. Now if this is divisible by 8, 8 3s are 24, okay, 8 3s are 24, 25 minus 24 1, 1 1 11, 8 1s are 8, then 11 minus 8 3, 3 2 32. Did you get it? Therefore L is equal to series. Here only one decimal place. Okay, I eliminate this. And here two decimal places. So first we eliminate single decimal place. Then 31.4, no? 31.4. Then one decimal place. Did you get it? So we give 0 to numerator. Did you get it? See here. Here two decimal places. No, we take one here. 31.4. This here 4. Then left here one decimal place. Did you get it? Very simple. 314 tenza. L is equal to what is 10 centimeter. Centimeter. Okay. Then what is second question? Find perpendicular height. Series. H square plus R square is equal to L square. We don't know H. R 8 square. L 10 square. Did you get it? Therefore H square is equal to H square plus 8 square. 8 square is 64 is equal to 10 square 100. Therefore H square is equal to 100 minus 64. We take like terms together. Therefore H square is equal to 36, taking square roots of both the sides, square root and square cancel, is equal to square root of 36. Therefore H is equal to 6 centimeter.